Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. Today I'm back with a jackfruit recipe. It is basically a payasam, which is a sweet dish made using jackfruit. This jackfruit payasam recipe is a flavorful payasam from the Kerala cuisine. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of ripe sweet jackfruit. So first I'm going to remove the seeds from them. Next we need to chop them roughly into small pieces. Now there are several ways to make this payasam. You can either add these chopped jackfruit pieces to a mixer jar and grind them into a fine paste. Or to make it simple, you can add them to a pressure cooker and cook for 1 or 2 whistles and then make the payasam out of it. So I have followed the second method in this recipe. While the jackfruit is getting cooked, let's make some fresh coconut milk. I'm going to add 1 cup of grated coconut to a mixer jar. Add in half a cup of warm water and grind it into a fine paste. Now pass this through a sieve to extract the coconut milk. So you would basically repeat this step twice. First, to get a thick coconut milk. You then add some more water to the same ground coconut and extract the thin coconut milk. Now let's start making the payasam. Take a non-stick heavy bottom pan. To this I'm going to add the cooked jackfruit pulp. If you do not like the idea of cooking the jackfruit in a pressure cooker, then you can grind it into a fine paste and cook it right now. But the process that I followed over here is much simpler and you can make the payasam quite quickly. To this I will add a 1/4 cup of jaggery syrup. You can adjust the quantity depending upon the sweetness. Make sure you pass the jaggery syrup through a sieve to get rid of unwanted particles. Now start cooking this between a medium to high flame until the mixture thickens. I will also add a tablespoon of ghee, which gives it a nice flavor. Continue cooking for some more time until the mixture thickens and slightly changes its color. The smell from the jackfruit and ghee is just awesome. So you cook for around 10 minutes and then add the thin coconut milk to this. Now again cook this mixture along with the coconut milk until it becomes slightly thick. Add in a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the payasam. Next I will add in some powdered cardamom and dry ginger to this. This again adds to the flavor. Cook this for 2 more minutes and turn off the flame. Finally, I will add in the thick coconut milk. So you are not going to cook this after you add the thick coconut milk. I forgot to take off the pan from the induction cooker, but it is turned off. So the jackfruit payasam is now ready. In order to garnish it, I'm gonna add some fried cashews and raisins. For this, take some ghee in a pan. Once it turns hot, add in some split cashewnuts. When it slightly changes its color, add in the raisins as well. Now fry them both until the cashews turn slightly brown. and the raisins pop up. Now you can add this to the payasam along with the ghee. Give it a good mix and your jackfruit payasam is ready to be served. It is a tasty payasam and it's quite different from the regular payasam that you make because it has jackfruit in it. The only thing that you need to be careful about is the sweetness. If you have a sweet tooth, then it's fine, but otherwise, you add very less jaggery syrup because the jackfruit itself will be very sweet. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. Click below to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger.